Hi class. So I want to do this video to help you with this more algebra word problems. Statins, I hope I'm saying that correct. Statins are used to keep cholesterol in check and are a top selling drug in the US. The equation S minus 1.8x equals 6.5 gives the amount of cells of statin in billions of dollars of year. Billions of dollars X years after 1998. According to this equation, how much will people in the US spend in statins in 2005? Okay, first we need to figure out, well, so we plug in an X value, right? It gives the amount S in billions given a particular year. So when we plug in a year, it'll give us back the amount in that we want. However, it's not really solved for S, so that's kind of a problem for me. Like, I want it to be solved for S, so when I just plug in my X, all I have to do is simplify and not have to solve anything after I plug in X. So I'm going to rearrange this equation a little bit just because it's really just a preference. We have, it looks like this. And so I'm going to add the 1.8x on both sides of the equation. So the amount of cells in billions is equal to 1.8x plus 6.5. So the second step that I would do is I would take this 2005 and find out how many years after 1998 is 2005. So we could do 2005 minus 1998. So it looks like we would count 2 to 2000 and then 5, so 7, right? So this would be 7. So let's just do that though. Yeah, 7, and then everything else is 0. Okay. So this would be 7 years after 1998. And that doesn't want to erase for the reason. So there we go. Okay. So we want to know what is S, big S, when X equals 7. There's an equation, once I plug in either the X or the S, it's going to establish and put in cement the other variable. So all I have to do is replace the X with 7. And now I just multiply the 7 times the 1.8 times 7. Just 12.6 plus 6.5. And all of that, and we have to make sure to follow order operations right there. And then we add those together. Make sure if you're using a cell phone calculator, you have to kind of press equals before you continue to keep going on, because if you keep going on, it kind of messes everything up sometimes. So that's equals 12.6, and then add 6.5. Okay, now I get 19.1. And there we go, that's 19.1. And they said this number is in billions. So it's actually $19.1 billion spent on, what did they say it was? Statins. I may be saying that wrong, but okay, so yeah, people, let's just make sure that that's the answer they are looking for. People in the US will spend blank dollars in 2005. Yep, 19, and we don't have to put billion because they already wrote the word billion right there. So 19.1, and there we go. All right, this is a classic. If I have an equation with two unknowns, if I determine the first unknown, like the x here, I can find the other unknown, the s. So I just plug in one unknown, find the other unknown. And we can tend to do that a lot in math for whatever reason. All right. Okay, have a good day. Bye.